Hey everybody, welcome to Liz Does Life. I am so excited because today we are in Cabo! Here we go. Welcome to my room. Let's see, we have the first bathroom in here with a shower. And then over here, we have washer and dryer. So I'm totally gonna be doing some laundry before I go home. I love when they have washer and dryers in the hotel rooms because I'm lazy and I don't want to do laundry when I'm back home. So coming over here, we have the first bedroom. And they have, here's the room, the TV, it's where we just came from. And this is the kitchen with dishwasher and fully stocked utensils, all that good stuff. Coming over here to the dining area, and the living room, TV, and this is the first balcony. This is a view from the first balcony. Come back inside. My room. Messy. My bed. TV. My bathroom. Hello. Shower. And my favorite part, the balcony out here. I'm staying across from this little resort called Raintree Vacation Club. And it's so cute. So the sun totally got me today. It is 8 o'clock. I am already showered up and in a robe and laying in bed. And it feels so good to be in bed so early. I found this by my bedside. It's the Westin's Sleep Well menu. It's pretty cool. I've never seen anything like this before. It says whether you're adjusting to a new time zone or recovering from your travels, restful sleep is key to renewal. Recommended by the experts at Superfoods RX. It says these selections are packed with amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that promote sound sleep. And it says to enjoy these foods 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Let's see, they have a green salad, a Caesar salad, multi-grain turkey sandwich. For bedtime snacks, they have non-fat yogurt with homemade granola and fruit, and red fruit oat muffins. I'm not sure what that is. And then they have a selection of various teas. I don't know, super interesting. I've never seen like a sleep well menu at a hotel before. I've been traveling a lot and I've really never seen this. Honestly, when I saw the sleep well menu, I thought it was going to be some hotels have like in-room aroma diffusers and you can order like whatever oil you want in there, and I thought it was going to be that, but It looks like they actually have like oils for you, like the lavender balm. It says wind down naturally with our sleep well aromatherapy balm, infused with essential oils of lavender and chamomile to ease tension and soothe senses. Roll onto temples or wrists before bedtime to foster sound sleep. Thank you, Westin. Today we're
getting massages in Cabo.
Just finished. I can't even open my eyes because I'm so relaxed right now. It felt so good.
It's only coming to Mexico, you take the best time.
Yes!
Remember.
Yes, it was the greatest massage. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi. Dinner time at the One and Only. This hotel is seriously beautiful, you guys.
New taste.
Oh, new taste.
Oh, is it a different?
It's a different bottle.
I just want all these samples that they be giving me.
We are at Ceviche, eating dinner.
Getting all the rolls.
Oh yeah! I'm about to sush it up right now. Cheers!
Boomerang.
So excited for the sushi right now.
We eating some sushi and not some tacos. We're
Sliding
eating
inside.
some sushi.
Hope we don't get sick because the water.
It's about to go down.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I'm not a fan of raw fish ever, but seriously, out of this world. Amazing.
The ribeye.
Fuego.
Ribeye is already marinated with the garlic and soy sauce, but the chili add extra sauce. Salad with lettuce, seaweed, carrot, and steamed rice.
Here we go. The sauce.
I did it. This is a cute little video.
She drunk.
Oh. Did that just jump off of the hot plate?
All right, you guys, sizzle away.
Red white sorbet, strawberry ice cream, whipped cream, mochi, and strawberry.
Thank you
Delicious.
so
Thank
much.
you.